Hey, what's going on, everyone? It's Christian with Rite-Way Detailing in Rancho Cucamonga, California. We are your local certified ceramic pro installer. I really appreciate you guys tuning in. I love the support we've been getting. Thank you to all the people that have followed our new YouTube channel and things like that. This is our first YouTube channel, so new to all this, but we got tons of exciting content to come. As I'm sure you've seen, we've done some really bad, you know what, Shelbys, some brand new trucks. We actually did a Tesla Model X, so really cool videos. Make sure you go check them out. Make sure you hit that like button and subscribe if you like the content that we produce, or you want to learn more about auto detailing, about ceramic coatings, what they are, or you just want to see some really cool vehicles and some racing that's going to be going down. So we're going to be going to car shows. We're going to be modifying my CTSV coupe that I have. We got a Scat Pack as well. We will do some more videos to reveal that. I'll do a taking delivery video, which I haven't completed just yet, but we've done some videos on some mods that we've done already, so we're going to be posting them pretty soon. So make sure you hit that subscribe button so you can stay tuned to all of the awesome content that's going to be coming. We have so much to come, but besides the point, this 2019 Subaru Forester is in for our Ceramic Pro Gold package. So you can see it's already been taped off, masked off. We've already done the full clay bar treatment, Iron X bath, deep cleaned it, washed it, cleaned all the wheels, and then wiped the vehicle all down, prepped it, masked it all off, and we did all the paint correction already. So this vehicle is coming out beautifully. You can see how amazing that reflection is. There was a ton of water spots, which it's not surprising to me, but this vehicle has about 50 miles on it. It sat on a lot. Customer just picked it up. You could see temporary registration, but there's a lot of water spots, and it was all in the clear coat and everything. I don't know if the GoPro can pick them up. This is just our polish from wiping the machine real quick, because I was just getting ready to start polishing it, but wanted to make sure that we keep updating our YouTube channel with YouTube videos. It's a little tough sometimes, but no big deal. We want to make sure that we're working hard and producing awesome content for you. But the little haziness is a little bit of dust, but there's a lot of little water spots in the glass. It was all over the paint. So even when you have a brand new vehicle, you have to consider that there's a lot of defects, which you might not think because it's brand new, but there's a lot of defects and water spots and things like that. Not 100% of the time, but pretty much 95% of the time. There is always some type of prep, which we have to do to coat the vehicle, and unless you want it to fail within the first week. But we have to do a full prep on it. You know, clay, iron, all sorts of stuff like that. Prep it with solvents and things like that. Get it ready for the coating. But we also always include some form of polishing on the glass and the paint. It just varies in the severity of how far we have to go and the results you want. But our goal is to make this thing look perfect. That way when it's coated, it looks like a perfect vehicle just rolled off the assembly line, never been touched. And we want it to keep it that way and make it easier for you guys to take care of your vehicle. So that's in turn what you get. And this is a 5-layer coating package. So Ceramic Pro Gold package. You know, when you see these videos of coatings being compared, it's not a fair test, honestly. I've seen how they do it. They square off the hood and things like that. Our products are designed to be paired together for a reason, because the hood is not the same process or manufacturing as the glass. The glass is a totally different piece than a metal hood, and then the paint that's on it. The lights are different than the fender. The black trim is different than the glass. The wheels have a different way of being painted and manufactured than the actual paint on the car does. So there's so many different variables when it comes to formulating and creating a ceramic coating company, and Ceramic Pro has knocked it out of the park. That's why we chose them in our business, because they kill it. I mean, they have so many products for different materials that when they're paired together in our actual packages that are warranted, it is unmatched. The look of it, how easy it is to clean it, the amount of protection you have, because you know the paint's not going to be peeling off. You know, your black trim isn't going to need to be replaced within the first year. It's not going to get all faded. The wheels aren't going to start peeling, because everything has a sacrificial layer over top of it. That's what it is. Ceramic coating is a sacrificial layer on whatever substrate is put on. So when it's cured, it's basically a liquid glass shield over the substrate it's applied to. And we can do everything. You know, the glass, the wheels, the paint, the black trim, the lights, the emblems, everything in the interior. The whole car can be ceramic coated. You know, in our packages. So this is going to be 4 layers of 9H, 1 layer of light on everything you see on the exterior besides the glass and wheels. The glass gets 2 layers of Ceramic Pro Rain, and then the wheels get taken off and they've already been pretty much cleaned up, but we got to make sure they're wiped down and prepped with a special solution and clean that off, and then ceramic coat them with Ceramic Pro wheel and caliper. So, and then we'll also do the inner fender well trim inside there, and then pop open all the doors, do all the jams. It's going to be bad. You know what? This thing is going to look beautiful. It's definitely going to look nicer than any other Subaru Forester on the road, unless that one, of course, has been ceramic coated with Ceramic Pro and paint correction and stuff like that. So I really appreciate you guys tuning in. Make sure you stay tuned throughout this whole video, because we'll include all of our social media and things like that. Hopefully you guys can follow us on those platforms. We'll definitely follow you back. We really love to see people's car pages and things like that. We're big automotive enthusiasts, and we love to make awesome content for you guys as well, and share our passion and our hard work on your vehicle, so you can see really what goes down in the process, and you can be proud of it. You know, the end result. You know, you're shopping for value. You're spending a good amount of money. You're not going for the cheapest price in town, and that's what this customer did. This is not a Corvette Z06. This isn't a Ferrari. This isn't a, you know, BMW 7 Series all decked out $100,000 car. This is just a Subaru Forester. But the customer, after speaking with us and seeing the vehicles that we've done in videos like such as this, which thank you guys for tuning in again. I can't say thank you enough for all the support we've been seeing. Our page has been growing pretty well. And then our goal is to basically get 1,000 subscribers by the end of this year, if not by this time next year during the summertime. So make sure you tag people if you're excited about automotive content and things like that. But this car, this investment is going to be protected. It holds its value, but once it's coated, you got this on your Carfax report, and you know, it's really going to hold its value with the warranty. It's transferable. So just wanted to inform you guys really on what's involved in it, and then what we're doing on this Subaru Forester as I'm walking around it. You can see it's looking really, really nice. So let me go ahead and move to the next camera view. We're going to start polishing the glass. I'll get a couple shots of us coating the car, and then we'll end off the video. So here we go. All right, the 2019 Subaru Forester is looking really, really good now. Of course, you know, the paint was very beautiful after it was all paint corrected, but now it has 4 layers of Ceramic Pro 9H, and then I just put the layer of top coat on the hood, on the whole driver's side, and then am working on the passenger side. So just want to show really quick applying the Ceramic Pro light. A lot of people don't really know how ceramic coatings are applied, but basically, you know, we do the full prep. Of course, I mentioned this in many videos, but of course lighting is key on the car. We have 6000K lights. I got a you know, high lumen LED work light to really highlight the area. So when we get into the quarter panel and stuff like that, we always watch out for the lines. You don't want to go over that. You don't want to create high spots or streaks, but basically we actually apply by hand. There are companies that do spray, but it's a very serious matter. You have to be way more cautious than when painting a vehicle, because it's such a high solid content. It sticks in the air, so it's actually a little dangerous if you don't have a very expensive ventilation system. But basically we prime the pad, we load the pad with, you know, 8 dots of the Ceramic Pro. It's actually renamed as Top Coat, but so we butterfly our pad really quick, and then we take it and then we apply. So you can see as the coating is being applied, it's got like a you can see just a residue going on the paint. It's not like, you know, when applying wax, it's actually like a thick layer that's going over it. So, you know, we just evenly apply it over the whole surface, and we just watch what we're doing. And then of course, you know, I don't have to mask all the trim off or the lights or anything, because we're going over all that with the ceramic coatings. That's the real big benefit of Ceramic Pro, is, you know, it gets applied to everything. So there's really nothing to worry about happening. You know, there's a lot of coatings out there that are just a 1 or 2 coating. You know, they really have to be formulated to go over all the different surfaces. So you can see here me applying it, and we go over it really evenly. You know, I'm trying to watch the GoPro and do this at the same time, so might be off my game just a hair, but you know, then we go over the light. Just tuck the pad in there, because I am going to go over, of course, you know, the hatch and the whole car. But, you know, you don't want to be smearing excess product that you don't need in the area you're not working on. So you got to watch all the edges, and you know, with the top coat it can spread pretty far. You can do at least a panel and a half if you load the pad correctly. So this is just to show really how ceramic coatings are applied. They are applied by hand, but you know, right now I'm speaking, but I usually always have a respirator on. It's okay with top coat, but with 9H it's really difficult to talk without having a respirator. So I can go ahead and just do this top railing above the doors. Okay, everyone, here are the final results on the 2019 Subaru Forester. Sorry, I wanted to get a bunch more shots, but just had to make do with what we got. You know, I shoot this by myself while I'm trying to get the job done in a timely manner. But you could see the results speak, you know, they really do speak for themselves. You can see how nice the paint looks, how beautiful the lights reflect off of everything. It was kind of funny. The star key for the you know, security lug was not in the vehicle whatsoever. I guess the customer forgot and took everything out of the car. I checked everywhere and it was not present. So it definitely cut up some hands laying underneath the vehicle and sticking my hand in behind the caliper and all the, you know, this is all-wheel drive, so there's a bunch of pitman arms and everything everywhere. So, but I got the job done, cleaned all down inside the barrel and coated in there, surprisingly. Was just barely able to get my hand in the applicator pad in there, but we got the job done and all the glass is all coated. Everything is looking beautiful. So this customer's gonna be really, really happy. This is his first time getting a car coated, and I know he's gonna be really happy with this. We got the dealer stickers off this, you know, this side glass right here is all inside the window. There's like 3 or 4 stickers. Took all the adhesive off, just cleaned inside the door jambs, and then did the sport. And then of course, you know, we always put our tag in there. That way the dealer knows don't wash this car. I just got to dust a couple things off because I had the doors open and got the garage open because the customer's coming pretty soon. So just wanted to wrap this video up. I really appreciate you guys tuning in. And once again, just a quick recap on the car. We did our full prep, which is clay, Iron X, and then wipe the vehicle down with a prep solution, and then pull it in, you know, mask everything off, do the paint correction. So we removed all the dirty, nasty water spots, and there's a little bit of a haze. So now the finish is beautiful, it's refined, it's super glossy, and then we have a perfect surface as well as the glass polishing that to apply our coating. So 4 layers of Ceramic Pro 9H, 1 layer of Ceramic Pro top coat, and then 2 layers of Ceramic Pro Rain on all the glass. We did the cowl down in there, all the black trim. We take the wheels off normally. We still did a wheels off basically without taking them off. We got behind the barrel. We do the inner Fender Wells, and then we do sport inside the doors, which is just a really, really high-end spray coating. It's just a maintenance spray once a year for our upkeep on the warranty. So we usually do that inside the doors because it's a really amazing product, and it just keeps them really nice and glossy and helps, you know, not as much dirt to build up in there. It's easy to wipe down. So you can see the results really do speak for themselves. And if you like this content that we're producing, please hit that like button, subscribe to our YouTube channel. We got a lot more coming, trying to really step my game up. This was just a real fast thing. We got to make sure we get these cameras set up and stuff, so we got some good camera angles and things like that. But I hope, you know, we delivered a pretty decent video for the time crunch that we had trying to get this thing knocked out. So once again, hit that like button, subscribe to the YouTube channel, hit you know, follow us on Instagram. We'll definitely follow you back. We always usually follow our subscribers on YouTube back as well if they got a channel. So that's pretty much it for the 2019 Subaru Forester. If you're interested in getting this done in your vehicle and you're in the California area, I include all of our contact information in the show more or description box below. And this is Christian, owner of Rite-Way Detailing and Ceramic Pro Rancho Cucamonga, tuning out. Thank you guys and have a blessed day.